Are you ready to eat? Today we're making a nice hamburger and cheese dip. First you take your hamburger, put it in a pan, and we're going to fry it up. And along with this frying, you want to chop the hamburger up. Like I'm doing with my spatula, your fork, your spoon, whatever you got. Just chop that hamburger right on up. And let it fry. You also want to look at your temperature to see if it needs to be adjusted. Now I'm adding garlic salt. You can add as little or as much as you want because everybody has a different taste for salt. Also add your black pepper, as much as you want or as little as you want. You want to take your meat and make sure it's nice and brown. Next, you want to keep chopping and turning your meat. You notice my meat is now brown. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I love making this meal with different variations of meat, vegetables. Today I'm using frozen bell peppers, yellow, red, and green. You can also use fresh bell peppers as well. And I love to add onions, but I didn't have onions today. So I'm using what I got. Next, if you notice, I'm putting a bowl in the sink because I'm going to drain the meat and catch that oil and fat that you do not want going down your sink. Because guess what? It'll mess your pipes up. And remember, I got that bowl under there and it's catching my oil and my fat. And I'm taking the meat, putting it in my little colander, and I'm draining the fat away. Okay, next you notice I have my cream cheeses. I'm going to use 2 today, and I'm going to take them, put them in a pan and melt them down. You don't want your cream cheese too high because I still got it on low because you don't want it to burn or cook too fast. So let it kind of melt down. Almost like a big butter. Just takes a little bit longer to melt. Now you're going to add your beef and your bell peppers back into the blend of cream cheese. And you're going to stir it around. Mix them together. Keep stirring. And if you notice, the 2 blends have come together as one. Next, I'm going to add the diced tomatoes. Today, I'm using lime and cilantro. My other can is a little different. It's probably tomatoes and green chilies. It don't matter, whichever one you like, as long as it's diced tomatoes. And you're going to blend that together too. Next, I'm adding my Kraft shredded Parmesan cheese to make it a little extra cheesy. Sometimes I'll take sharp cheese, cheddar cheese, any kind of extra cheese to go in there. You're going to let it saute for a little bit so the sauce can thicken up, and make sure it's on a lower setting like I'm doing now. Set it, forget it for a little bit, and then you're going to blend. And if you notice in the pan, our sauce has thickened. It's doing good. And it looks like it's almost time to eat. We're going to go ahead and plate this. And we're going to add some corn chips today. Like I said, sometimes I'll use different meats, different vegetables. Time to eat. Hope you're hungry. You're going to take the corn chips and dip it away.